Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a cake paper squishy with packaging, and here's how the finished result looks like. So let's just get started. The materials you will be needing to create this craft are a Ziploc bag, tape, pair of scissors, any coloring material, some paper, and lastly, some poster board. I got mine from Walgreens, and it just looks like this, and it's pretty good for this craft. So if you don't have poster board already, I would suggest you check out Walgreens or a CVS. Start by taking a piece of paper and folding it in half. Start by tracing or drawing a circle, and this will be the top and bottom of your cake. Then draw your design for the top of your cake. Next, tape over your design as if you're laminating it. Next, cut out your design, making sure both sides of your paper are staying together. Now that you have the top and bottom of your cake squishy complete, you're going to be creating the middle of your actual cake. And to do this, you're going to take a piece of paper and the top or bottom of your squishy, and you're going to take the paper and you're just going to guess on how much paper you'll be needing to create the middle of your squishy. And this will probably not be too accurate because you can't really tell at the moment. So make a little bit extra if you're unsure if it'll be too short, because then you'll be able to actually wrap around the whole squishy. So you're going to draw a rectangle that has the width of how thick you want your squishy to be, and you can use a ruler to do this, or you can just guess however thick you want it to be. And once you have this, you're going to be coloring your design in the box. Then cover your strip in tape and cut it out. Now you should have 3 separate pieces of paper that are all laminated with tape, and now you're going to start assembling them. So I'm going to start by taking the top of my squishy and a piece of tape and my strip. I'm going to place my piece of tape on the very edge of my strip so it looks like this, and then I'm going to cut some slits. And then I'm going to take this top piece and place it on the strip and fold the pieces of tape over. And since this is a circle, you're going to have to spin it around as you go. And so as you fold them, they actually stick to the very edge and not just like the side of the edge. And it should look like this. And you're going to do that all the way around. If you had any extra of the strip, then you'll have a little flap like this. And with this flap, you can go ahead and just tape it to the side like this. And if you made too little of a strip and you had a gap in your squishy, you are going to create more of your strip on a separate piece of paper and tape that on where your gap is. Now you're going to tape your strip and your bottom piece or your top piece, and you're going to tape these together, leaving one hole open so you can stuff your squishy. Now you should have a hollow cylinder shape, and with the hole you left open, you're going to stuff it using toy stuffing, trash bags, plastic bags from the grocery store, sponges, and tape the hole shut. And now your squishy is finished, and it is time to move into the packaging portion. To create the packaging, I suggest using a ruler so you have the most accurate of results. But the measurements you'll be needing is to start by taking the diameter of your squishy and adding 2.5 centimeters to it, and create this line or this other line on your rectangle. Take the width of your squishy, so this length using your ruler, and add 3 centimeters to it, and that's how I got this line. And then to create these flaps that are going to go inwards to create your box, you'll use the width measurement again and not add any centimeters to it. And then to create this inner section, take this measurement again and create a line going down, and do the same for this side. And then you're just going to connect the two, so you're going to have the same measurement as you did for number 1. And then you're going to create the measurements of this box down here again. And then you're going to create a line over here by taking your diameter. And you're going to do that here, 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 and here. And you're just going to attach them all, and you'll get the same measurement as you did for number 2. If this didn't make enough sense, or you need a more detailed description on how to do this, I have a video that I'll link below. And I forgot to mention this, but I'm creating a mirror with my Ziploc bag, and so I'm just going to cut out this square. Make sure that you only create the mirror with the section that you created the slanted lines in. And once you finish this long process, go ahead and cut out on the very outer edge of your measurements, and you can also cut your mirror out. I'd also suggest to erase the pencil marks that you don't need. This will just give your box a cleaner look. And then go ahead and fold your box's flaps inwards. And then you're going to tape all of your edges that aren't slanted, and those are the edges that I am pointing to that you will need to use tape to attach together to actually form your box shape. With your finished box, you should have something that looks like this. And now you're going to take your Ziploc bag and open it up, and take your pair of scissors and cut the plastic bag so that you only have one strip of the bag and not both sides. And then cut a rectangle that is a little bit bigger than your actual window. With your plastic rectangle, you're going to open up your package, and you're going to tape the edges 1, 2, 3, and 4 against it this way so you don't see any of the tape if you were to do it on the outside. Now you have your box and your squishy done, but now it is time to decorate your box. For my box, I created some bead flowers on my box, and I also added some little strawberry female slices that I used for slime before. And then I just drew on a label that said strawberry cake, and I added a bunch of little dots on the side for just some more color on my box. And here's the finished product. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!